Hello, in this video I will show the laser welding machine. Change the nozzle to cutting one. The first step, I will remove the wind guide and then replace the nozzle from winding to cutting one, and then adjust the focus. Now the focus for the winding is at position 5. Let me show the detail. For the cutting one, we need to adjust the focus length outward 5 millimeter. Now the position at about 10. Next step, I will adjust the parameter in the controller. We need to take care the scan width need to be 0, and the peak power is 1500 or the maximum of the machine. The scan speed automatic changes 0 because we don't need scan width. Power 1500%, duty cycle 100%, frequency 2000. The one feeder, we change the status from run to stop. Press stop, and it's a right light. The run button become green. In welding, we use the argon shading gas. Cutting, we use the air compressor. It's enough. Turn the laser power. This is gas valve. We need to allow more pressure for the cutting. Now the result is 0.8 ampere.